Welcome back to Healthy Horizons, where your wellness journey begins. Today, we're diving into the golden spice that's taken the health world by storm, turmeric. Is it really as powerful as people say? Can it actually improve your health in meaningful ways? Stick around, because we're about to break it all down. Turmeric is a vibrant yellow-orange spice that comes from the root of the Curcuma longa plant. It's been used for over 4,000 years in Indian and Asian cultures not just as a spice, but as a powerful natural medicine. What makes turmeric so special? One word, curcumin. Curcumin is the main active compound in turmeric, and it's responsible for most of its health benefits. Chronic inflammation is behind many modern diseases: heart disease, arthritis, diabetes, and even some cancers. Curcumin in turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory so powerful, it's been compared to some over-the-counter medications without the side effects. It helps your body fight inflammation at the molecular level, blocking a molecule called NF-κB that plays a big role in chronic inflammation. In short, a little turmeric could go a long way in keeping inflammation at bay. Curcumin is also a potent antioxidant. That means it fights off free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and speed up aging. But here's the kicker: curcumin doesn't just neutralize free radicals. It also boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes. So it's a double whammy for protection. Want to keep your cells younger and stronger? Turmeric might be your new best friend. Let's talk brain power. Curcumin has been shown to boost levels of BDNF, that's brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This protein is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps them grow and stay strong. Low BDNF levels are linked to depression and Alzheimer's disease. By increasing BDNF, turmeric may help delay or even reverse brain decline and improve your mood while it's at it. Pretty amazing for a spice you sprinkle on curry, right? Curcumin also benefits your heart health in several ways. It improves the function of the lining of your blood vessels, helping regulate blood pressure and clotting. It also reduces inflammation and oxidation, two major culprits behind heart disease. Some studies even show it may be as effective as exercise or certain medications when it comes to improving heart function. That's huge. Research is still ongoing, but early results are promising. Turmeric may help prevent or slow down certain types of cancer. Curcumin appears to affect cancer growth, development, and even spread at the cellular level. It might also help destroy cancerous cells while protecting healthy ones. While it's not a cure, it could be a powerful part of your prevention toolkit. Got joint pain or arthritis? Turmeric may provide real relief. Several studies have found that curcumin supplements can reduce symptoms of arthritis, sometimes better than anti-inflammatory drugs. And again, fewer side effects. Natural pain relief? Yes, please. So how can you add turmeric to your routine? Sprinkle it in your cooking, think curries, soups, rice, and veggies. Try golden milk, a soothing drink made with milk, turmeric, cinnamon, and honey. Or take it as a supplement, especially if you want a higher curcumin dose. Important tip: curcumin is hard for your body to absorb on its own. That's why you should always pair it with black pepper, which contains piperine. It boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Turmeric isn't just a trendy spice, it's a science-backed powerhouse for your health. From fighting inflammation to boosting your brain and protecting your heart, it's earned its golden reputation. So whether you're sipping golden milk or seasoning your meals, know that this vibrant root is doing your body good. Be sure to check with your doctor before starting any supplement, especially if you're on medication. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and share it with a friend who could use a little turmeric in their life. And don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Horizons for more natural health tips every day.